3 quick trades. How far can it get? White moving average is crossing down. I am waiting for a green fractal. Green fractal is printed. I am placing a sell. Initial pullback. Completely normal. I trust the strategy and wait patiently until the trade expires. Nothing can be done to influence the outcome. Lots of hesitation. Not what a trader likes to see. There is no clear direction here. Buyers and sellers are fighting a lot. This is a suspenseful kind of trade, that's for sure. The strategy used here is the same as in previous videos. The original video explaining the setup is linked in the description. Price moves down again, but not convincing anymore after several trials. It still doesn't look promising at this point, but let's see how it develops at the end. The trade has closed in profit. The platform I use is linked in description. I look for next setup. Similar bearish setup is forming here. There is enough room down to previous support. Cross is confirmed. I am placing another sell. A promising initial bearish move. Keep in mind that in this type of trading, only the direction at the end matters. It's good and bad at the same time because any seemingly bad move can flip direction easily and save the day, but also a move in the trader's favor, which seems established and strong, can also flip at any time and ruin a session. Let's see if it holds this level till the end. Trade finished. I look for next. To mix things up, one more bearish setup is forming. Current candle is already quite down, but there is still enough space to the previous support, so I accept the signal. Trade is taken. No momentum yet, but no pullback either. I zoom in to see the execution better. Still no momentum, unfortunately. Patience and discipline are the most important skills in trading. Looks promising, but I have seen harsh rejections in the last second several times. Market is keeping countless surprises. There was some correction at the end, but price has respected the structure. If you'd like to see more trades with this strategy or see the full setup in detail, check this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.